welcome to my channel, Comfortable. And today we are making a buba. We call it oleku buba. So first I'll be folding my fabric into four. So you can see here that there is no join in the front, as in it's folded into four, that it will not be joining at the shoulder rather. So yeah, I measured my 27 inches too, so I folded it into four. And my bust is 40 and a half. The person bust is 40 and a half, so I'll be measuring the 11. I'm making everything 11 from the shoulder to the down part is 11. It's going to be buba, so it's equal. Everything is going to be rhymed together. On the neck part I'll be taking 3 inches, 3 and a half width and like 4 and a half depth. So I later cut it down a bit. When you check it, if it's too small, you reduce it. I don't want it to be too big, because there will be no way to amend it, because it's a buba. You can't join it by the shoulder side, so you have to be careful when cutting. So here I have my 11 inches straight down. I'll be cutting it. Yeah, I'm cutting it down. So now I'm notching the shoulder where I'll be joining my arm, my sleeve too. So here I'm going to measure my neckline to cut it out. So I'll be cutting it out like this. You have to be careful cutting it so it won't be too big, and the shape should be like a U shape. When you check it, if it's too small, you can cut it again. You can cut it lower a bit. So just to be careful that it's not too big, because if there's no way you can amend it, you have to cut another buba. So I'm trimming it again just a little, like so. So here we are. We check it again. I like checking my very well, because I don't want my customer to complain. Yeah, so my length, I just want to trim the down part. I took 27 inches to, that is 54 inches straight. So I just folded it into four. So the sleeve, to get your sleeve, you have to place two. I already know I just wanted to do it for the video. So you place it from the midpoint from your neck, middle of your shoulder, to know the sleeve you have to cut out, because it's a buba. It's just going to straight up. So this is 11 inches. So I'll be adding 3 extra inches to it for the folded inside and the stitching allowance at the top. So yeah, I'm folding into two. The wideness of the sleeve of the person is about 15 inches. So I'm just going to fold it out very carefully. So here I'm cutting 14 inches. 14 inches as the length. So here I'm cutting 18 inches so I'm going to be sewing one as sewing allowance, so it will be 16 inches for the sleeve. So I'm cutting this out as 18 inches. That's 9 inches folded. Unfolded it is going to be 18 inches. So here we are. I'm launching the starting point of the sewing at the shoulder line. I'll be folding 2.5 inches inside, don't forget I made it 14 inches, so I have to use my tape rule to measure out the 11 inches I want from the top. Yeah, so this is 12 inches. I'll be taking 1 inch as sewing allowance, a half inch as sewing allowance, because I just want it to be exact 11 inches. So after sewing, it's going to be 11 inches. So I have 2.5, also 2.5. I'm just going to notch that particular place so I will know where to fold inside. I'll just use my pin to hold this down. So normal I would just iron, but we don't have lights now, sorry. So I'm just going to fold that aside, and I also cut out. I remember I need to do a belt for the wrapper, so I'm cutting a belt of 4 inches. As 2 inches folded like this. Unfold is going to be 4 inches, so I'm just going to cut it out. It's just like any desired. You can cut any of your, you can make it a tiny rope, but I want it to be a belt so you can tie it as a bow at the back. It won't just be like the normal old school Iro and buba. So here we are. So I didn't show you how I folded the first part, so this is how you're going to fold your buba. There will be no joining in front, so yeah. So this is my sleeve. I want to show you how I'm going to be folding it in before. So I'm just going to pin it down like this, and I'll pin the other side too. So I'm just going to, because it's a pattern Kampala, it has this style, so I just want the sleeve to have this line style while the body has the normal circle style. So I'm going to be sewing 1/2 inches inside. When I'm done with that, I just want to, this is the two launch parts. I'll place it on each other, the right side facing the right side of the sleeve too. So while I pin this round, because buba, you have to be careful so you won't turn it other way around. So yeah, I want to sew it straight up. Some people will just sew from the joining to the launch side and sew from the other joining to the main. I just want it to sew from the joining across to the to pass the that side, while I just sew it on a straight line here. So I'm pinning it down. So I'm just going to sew it from this particular joining sleeve round like this. Yeah, I'm going to sew it like this round, instead of having to stop at the that side. I'll just sew it round past that. So here we are. I've joined it and this is how it looks like. So here I'm going to be marking the opening before joining this side. We still have it open anyways, so I'm going to be marking the joining, which is 5 inches. The openings downside 5 inches. So here we are. So I'm just going to sew it from the point where I stopped the joining at the sleeve line down to the 5 inches. Yeah. So I'll do the same thing for the other side. It's 5 inches. I'll just sew it from the marked place to the sleeve joinings like this, just the way my chalk is going. So this is how it is. So this is the 5 inches. So I'll just roll that in and roll the other side, so your buba is ready. And mind you, so you have to get the tape to do the neckline. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share. Thank you. Bye.